What's going on YouTube? It's your boy XL, and today I'm getting ready to change out the camshaft position sensor, which is here, and the magnet. Now for the camshaft, this is the new one right here, the camshaft position sensor, and the magnet's right here. The camshaft position sensor is from Bosch, and the magnet is directly from Mercedes. There is the part number. What I'm gonna do is go ahead and unplug the crankshaft position sensor from the wires. Now that I have it unplugged, I'm gonna go ahead and take off this bolt right here with my Torx. All right, now that I've removed it, you can see pretty much. Here's the old one right here. All right, it is dirty, and there is where I removed it from. There's one bolt there. I'm gonna clean it up a little bit and then put the new one on there. All right, now that I have taken off the old camshaft position sensor, cleaned up in there, I'm gonna go ahead and put a little bit of thread locker blue on there, medium strength, on the tip of this, and then that way it goes in nice and smooth, doesn't rust up or anything like that, and then put on the new camshaft position sensor right over here. All right, here we go. It's gonna go into the hole right below. You can see it. Make sure you hand tighten it in there, and then you can use your ratchet to go ahead and tighten it up. And don't tighten it up too much, you know what I mean, because these are delicate parts in the car. Hand tighten it first, and then use your ratchet to get a little bit tighter. It's on there. I'm going to go ahead and tighten it up very gently. All right, so now that I got it nice and snug, I'm going to go ahead and put this cable back in here. Make sure it snaps in place, and you're all done with the camshaft position sensor.